This is gonna go so well with my kitchenware. Yes. What's up guys? Today I'm opening a $50 mystery box that I bought off eBay. I really don't know what to expect. This is literally how it showed up on my front door. Like convenient mystery box labeling and all. I don't know how many items are inside. It has like a little bit of weight to it. So I feel like there'll be a few things in there. Looks like Betty, my poodle, is going to help me out with the opening. Maybe we'll get another rubber chicken. Betty would like that. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't want to look at everything at once. I'm gonna pull it out blindly. Oh my. Oh, what is? There's like some. What is this? Is this like an oven mitt? Hey, an Australian oven mitt. Man, it feels like, I'm trying not to look in, it feels like there's like a lot of things in here. Fantastic. Exactly what I was hoping for. Oh no, I just had a quick look. I just spoiled some things. Another version of an oven mitt. Don't you like, do you do these together? Do you like pick up the tray and hold it here or something? Wow, where can I put these? Maybe I'll put these here. Can you see them? Yeah. Oh damn, look at this. Look at this. Oh, we've actually got friends coming over tonight. I'm gonna dress up. I'm gonna have everything on. Some really large woolly black socks. Great. What else have we got? Uh-oh, this feels like a voucher. $100 wine voucher? I mean, I don't drink wine. These things always feel like there's a catch. Is there a catch to this? Betty, you ready for this one? A white tie. That's a skinny tie. I mean, that's pretty trendy. We're gonna have suddenly left the tag on 29. She didn't vomit, she just like makes these noises every now and then. This box, I thought it was filled with packaging. It's filled with stuff. Like, I don't want to ruin the surprise, but this is unbelievable. Oh, this is a cool beanie. Oh. I do have a large head, but like, this feels like a kid's beanie. Fantastic, a simmer ring. What on earth is a simmer ring? Put this in my kitchen section. Some sealing rods. They look like they seal plastic bags. A business card holder. I don't have business cards, but I'll be getting them. Next up, oh, don't. This better not be kid size as well. Okay, let me show you this. It's still pretty small, but I think it's just my large head. Oh, a nice grey hat. Bang, reversible Australian branding. What do you reckon of this, Betty? This is gonna go so well with my kitchenware. Yes. What is this? Some children's pajamas. I am about to have a child in like a couple months. My kid is gonna look awesome in this in like a year's time. Betty, last thing, you wanna see? You ready? What is it? Tell me what it is. It is it a hat? How does it look? Alright, that's it. That's everything. The box is empty. Stop asking, guys. I know what you want, okay? I'm gonna give it to you. You want a fashion show of all the new stuff? You got it. Say no more, fam. Cut to, like, fashion runway music. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Who would have thought I would have got so many useful things from a random $50 mystery box on eBay. Actually, full disclosure, it was on sale for $30, but it said it was worth $50, so maybe that's why some of the items aren't the best. But you know what? We had a lot of fun anyway, and I look great. So please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Damn, that would have been cool if it hit the lens.